This is Motorola Moto G53, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can scan a document and later transform it into a PDF file on this device. So to begin with, make sure that you have the Google Drive application installed on your device. Usually it comes pre-downloaded with the system, so you'll have it in 99.9% of cases. So launch the Google Drive, sign into your Gmail account if you haven't already. Then, while at it, once at the Google Drive app, tap at this plus icon to your bottom right, go for the scan option, grant Google Drive all the permissions that it asks for. So once the camera interface gets launched, you gotta take the document that you wanted to make a scan of and take a decent picture of it. Make sure, or perhaps we recommend that you center it, align it properly, and occupy the whole viewfinder space with the said document. Then shoot a photo, see the result that you've gotten. If you're satisfied with it, you can proceed. At the following interface, you can crop the image and decide what will be included into the actual scan/PDF document that we are about to make. Maybe trim off some extra edges you took with the document. That's also something you can very easily do. Then see the preview one last time, save it. In here, prior to actually saving it, you can rename the document and change the Google account and Drive folder that it will be saved to. I'll rename it to, let's say, My Awesome Scan, and save the result. Now wait for a few seconds for it to get uploaded to the Google Drive, and here you have it. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.